See, is this on? Yeah, I guess. No glare. Okay. Let's get on with this. I have Amazon stuff. I got it over a period of a week or so. One package here, one package there, and I've been saving it up to do one video. And I've been so damn lazy. But here we are, it's September 29th, Wednesday, 2021. It's about 10:30 at night. 10:38. And it's 48 degrees out tonight. So we're getting some cool nights, but that's okay with me. So let's get on with some things I got from Amazon. Some things I got. I didn't get this from Amazon. I've been collecting knives for a long time, and I have quite a few traditional knives. And my favorite pattern of traditional knife is a Barlow. And so I saw this, I just had to have it. And this is a Bear & Sons 2-blade Barlow with walnut scales and carbon steel blades, which is kind of hard to find carbon steel, but that's the ticket in an old style pocket knife. I have one that's made out of stainless steel, and I don't like the stainless steel ones. I like the carbon steel, then they get that nice patina with use. So I'm going to start carrying this one, I think. This is a 2-blade. It has a smaller pen blade. Very nice. Did I say it's a Bear & Sons? Okay. On to other stuff. This is all pretty much nonsense stuff that I don't really need, but I got anyway. Well, I do need it. In my mind, I need it. These are 500 pins with that, with the ball on the end. These were $6.98, and I got them mostly because I don't know if everybody knows it, but when you have a Swiss Army knife that has a corkscrew or the Phillips in the back, there's a hidden little hole in here where you can keep a pin. So I put a pin in all my Swiss Army knives. So I got the pins, $6.98. I wanted a good magnifying glass. So I saw this, and this is nice size, and it's real glass. It's a 10x. I hope we're still recording. I got a low battery signal here. I'm going to plug my phone in, maybe, so I can continue. There we go. Am I plugged in over here? Yep. Okay, we should be alright. So that's my magnifying glass, 10x. It's pretty good size, and it's real glass. So that was, what did I say, $6. So where are we here? Okay. And on that same line, I got some of these Fresno Lenses, I guess they call them, magnifiers. It came seven in a package for $7.66. It said 6, but they sent me 7. So I keep one of them in my bag, one in my phone case, one, behind my phone in my case. And there we go with that. I got a couple more of these. I got 2 of them. I got 2 more of these Nano streamlights. The one I had was really, really old. This one's kind of finicky. I don't know why. This one's a little bit finicky, but they're nice little flashlights. They're only $6.36 each. If they ever do die, just throw them out and buy a new one. Don't buy the batteries. The batteries are more than the flashlight. Anyway, I gave one to my son, and I got two here. I'll put one in my bag. And it's getting cold now where you wear a winter jacket, so I think I'll put one on my zipper. Make like a zipper pull. So that was that. I think I showed this before. It was a measuring cup. I don't know what this cost. A couple bucks. Plastic. 4-cup measuring cup. I never had one. I think I showed it before. 50 feet of paracord, which I already put into my donut so it doesn't get all tangled up. Even though it looks tangled here, it's not. And that was $7.99 for 50 feet. I forget what they call this color. Neon Nightmare, I think, or something like that. So that was $7.99. We got some. I always try to make a point of ordering some food. Every order, even if I'm just ordering junk. So I got 3 bags of 3 pounds, 3 of these pearl barley. So 3 pounds of barley, that was $6.36. No, $3.33 a pound. I think that's what I wrote down anyway. Got that. Put them in. I'll vacuum seal these. Don't really have to, but I'm going to, because I like running a vacuum sealer. And I've showed this before too. This is a 4-quart stainless steel bowl. I forget what this cost. $4.99, something like that maybe. Then these, I got some of these balaclavas. I guess that's how you say it. Balaclavas. You know, you wear over your head. Neck gaiters, and you can fashion them in all different ways. Headband, neck gaiter. So there was 6 of them for $13.99. This is a red one, purple, blue, purple, yellow, neon yellow, regular yellow, orange. I like wearing those. Winter's coming. And I guess this is the last thing. Is a pack of 10 Hankies Bandanas. $8.79 for 10. That's pretty good. And they're the bigger ones. These are 22 by 22 inches. So they're bigger than normal. I like this one. Tie-dye. And purple. Blue. Camo. Green. Yellow. Which is my favorite color. So I got the, oh, and a black one I got over here. Already made into a headband. I like the black because it doesn't show up the crud. Sort of. Okay, so there's my Hankies. And I guess that's it. Went through my list, I got everything. So I finally got this video out, anyway. And my dog's outside. She likes it out there when it's cool. My cat's sleeping on the recliner over there. I'm wide awake. 10:30 at night. Slept a little today, but still having trouble sleeping. Terrible, terrible nightmares and dreams. Coffee black, no sugar. I probably should stop. That's part of my trouble, is too much coffee. So I like to get paracord every time I order too. I like to make these bracelets. I got the one going on here that I started. And that foil, I put in some fishing line on 3 fish hooks. So I weave that right in there. Just for the heck of it. If I ever need a fishing hooks when the world collapses. And it's getting damn close to that, I think. The way things are going. There's trouble coming in every direction, it seems like. So I guess I'm gonna finally put this stuff away. It's been sitting on my table here for about a week. I ordered got some food coming tomorrow from Amazon. I think a case of rice-a-roni and a case of that Knorr's pasta sides. I'm still waiting on a case of Danner sausage, canned Danner sausage. I ordered on the 18th of September, and Amazon keeps pushing back the ship date. They haven't even shipped it yet, but one good thing is, though, they keep me up to date and I know what's going on. So, guess I'm going to get on with it, and hope you guys all have a good rest of your week. Stay warm. Stay cool, wherever part of the country you're in. And stay frosty. This is Dale, out.